How can I find scripts directory? Consider the following Python code. I use os.getcwd to get the script file's directory location. When I run the script from the command line, it gives me the correct path, whereas when I run it from a script run by code in a Django view, it prints /. How can I get the path to the script from within a script run by a Django view? Update. Summing up the answers thus far, os.getcwd and os.path.abspath both give the current working directory, which may or may not be the directory where the script resides. In my web host setup_file_ gives only the file name without the path. Isn't there any way in Python to, always, be able to receive the path in which the script resides?
You need to call os.path.realpath on _file_, so that when _file_ is a file name without the path, you still get the dir path.
Try sys.path0. To quote from the Python docs. As initialized upon program startup, the first item of this list, path0, is the directory containing the script that was used to invoke the Python interpreter. If the script directory is not available, for example if the interpreter is invoked interactively or if the script is read from standard input, path0 is the empty string, which directs Python to search modules in the current directory first. Notice that the script directory is inserted before the entries inserted as a result of Python path. Source: this URL.
I use. As AM points out in a comment, you can define this function in a module and use it in different scripts.
This code sets dn to the name of the directory containing the currently executing script. This code sets fn to script_dir/vcb.init in a platform-independent manner, and opens that file for reading by the currently executing script. Note that the currently executing script is somewhat ambiguous. If your whole program consists of one script, then that's the currently executing script and the sys.path0 solution works fine. But if your app consists of script A, which imports some package P and then calls script B, then PB is currently executing. If you need to get the directory containing PB, you want the os.path.realpath_file_ solution. _file_ just gives the name of the currently executing, top of stack, script, x.py. It doesn't give any path info. It's the os.path.realpath call that does the real work.
Maximum push 0